Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about profile features that are used in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. In our previous video, we have learned about form features, flatness, straightness, circularity, and cylindricity. In case you have missed that video, I will encourage you to watch that video and then come to this video. Now let's begin with this video. In this category, we have two features, profile of a surface and profile of a line. We will discuss profile of a line first. This is the symbol of profile of a line, and datum is optional for profile of a line. Sometimes it's required and sometimes it's not. MMC or LMC are not applicable for profile of a line because both of them, MMC or LMC, are primarily applied to individual features. Meanwhile, profile of a line addresses overall shape and variations across multiple cross sections. So profile of a line is not an individual feature. That's why MMC or LMC are not applicable for profile of a line. It is the two-dimensional tolerance zone, which means that it only allows variation in two dimensions only. Let's say width and height. And we use profile of a line to control the form, size, and orientation of a feature. In this image, you can see the profile of a line. This is the symbol of profile of a line along with its tolerance value, that is 0.030. There are two datums used, datum A and datum B, and both are perpendicular to each other. In order to measure the profile of a line, there are multiple methods. We can use the gauges as well, but in order to precisely measure, we use CMM machine or coordinate measuring machine. Now moving on to profile of a surface, it controls form, size, and orientation of the entire surface because it's 3D tolerance zone. It sets boundaries around complex shapes like curved surfaces, irregular surfaces, or irregular contours. It is different from profile of a line as it extends to 3D and can evaluate overall shape comfortably. The symbol of profile of a surface is shown here, and for datum it's optional and no MMC or LLC is applicable here because profile of a surface is not an individual feature. And here you can see in this image, profile of a surface is shown here, and along with its symbol, and tolerance values are given, and two datums A and B are given. Remember, these datums are perpendicular to each other, datum A and datum B. Now, in order to measure profile of a surface, we use a CMM machine, coordinate measuring machine, or optical measuring machine. Basically, they capture data points across features, and that's how they measure the profile of the surface. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.